Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. How no do? Everybody alright? Tell me one when you see them howdy for me. She little or she talawa. Jamaica is the 140th most populous country in the world. It has an area of 10,991 square kilometers. It is an island country situated in the Caribbean Sea. Its capital is Kingston. Yes, this city. English is the official language of Jamaica. Hi. And Patois is the second language. Howdy. Jamaica is a hotspot for tourists, drawing an average of more than 4.3 million people to this part of the Caribbean every year. Covering 10,990 square kilometers, the island draws people in with its laid-back atmosphere. Sandy beaches. You ever, when you go to the beach, especially when you can't swim, you take off your shoes or your boot and you sit over the seaside and you take your foot and you push under the sun. It's cool and nice, man. And you slow and you play with the sun because you can't swim, you know, so you prefer sit down, so you're safer there, so sit down and play in the sun. You're safer there, so tropical weather. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, but it's just right. Inclusive resort. Yes, inclusive resort. Everything. Rich culture. Me say the culture rich, you see. Kind of thing. We have music, dance, poetry, everything is so rich. And we also have lively music. Yes, liven up yourself. Who gave you name Jamaica? You want Jamaica. The original inhabitant of Jamaica are believed to be the Arawaks, also called Taínos. They came from South America 2,500 years ago and named the island America, which means land of wood and water. America, I guess that's their language. America. But and then we say Jamaica. It's Jamaica they're talking about. You want to hear them spell it? Xaymaca. But I guess the X is silent, so we say America. In little, but in Halawa, you know. If you find this video informative, please, I beg you, like, share, thank you so much, subscribe, and thank you for watching.